Hi everybody, welcome to Paul's Eating Show. I'm here eating my lunch here at work, and we have a ham and cheese sandwich here, green boils, and some homemade soup that the wife made 2 days ago. Have the rice in there, and the noodles, and carrots, and celery. Looks great. Before I begin, I'll give grace. Thank you, Father, for this food, and let me direct God for the strength. Bless those without turn you to this person, thank you, joy, all your Jesus, amen. So anyway, how's everybody doing today? I'll just say, thank you to my subscribers, and my hearts and prayers are out to those in Texas. We're going through devastation right now, and my heart's out to you. I just say hello to my rest of family throughout the world. So, how y'all doing? Here we have water with orange, fresh orange juice in there, or, squeezed orange. So anyway, I'm drinking water from now on. See, this, the rice, celery, you can see, yum, yum. Oh, I forgot there's potatoes in here too. That way it don't drip all over the place. Y'all want some? Yum.
I just feel the baby's here. She looks just like her. Well, feeling don't have nothing to do with it. Let me tell you something. It has something to do with it. The feeling part is what got you here, but it's not going to be what gets you out of here. The truth is going to get you out of here. Pictures. Let us see the pictures. Ron, give me this proof. What are these pictures of? Of him and Melina.
Ham and cheese.
And you believe this is baby Selena on the left? Yes. And this is Mr. Foster as a child on the right? Yes. And you believe they look just alike? Yes. Do you see the resemblance, Mr. Foster?
I see some, but I don't think that I'm the father. I'm not the father.
How about you, Miss Foster?
No, really.
So at the point your son signed his birth certificate, that's why you said to him, well, you signed the birth certificate, now you might as well marry her.
Yes, because he was advised not to do it.
Oh, you told him don't do that.
Me and a friend of mine, which is an attorney.
You had access to legal counsel and still went on to sign the birth certificate for a child
Yes, I did.
that
Yum,
you
yum.
thought was not yours.
Yes, I did.
You understand that even if today's testimony and the DNA results prove that this is not your biological child, that does not automatically get you off the hook legally for being responsible for this baby. Do you understand?
Yes.
Miss Cardinal, you have tears. What are you feeling?
So, how's everybody doing today?
No. It's emotional.
Mm.
No, I'm not stepping up to the fact that baby looks just like him. But listen, what I just heard.
I gotta drink the juice too.
And it is okay. Look, this is a sensitive situation. Sometimes nothing wrong with a tear. But I just heard you say, I just am ready to know. Yes. So the truth is, you don't know. Okay.
So anyway, how's everybody doing? What y'all eating today?
Me growing up, not having my father, so that's I did what I did.
Oh, it's okay.
Get kind of messy,
And I did. So I was living here for 3 months. This day. Yeah.
I understand. And now I can see clearer what your intentions were. So even though people were advising you not
you better
to
do
do it,
music.
you
I like to have
basing your actions
music.
on your own
Like my wife, we like to have music.
not having a dad.
But in the background is TV.
This beautiful world to experience what you did.
Yes.
Understand? I think it's time for the results.
Yes, Judge.
It's great. A big bite. Guys, you can hear TV in the background. That's what it actually looks like here. A split in half. My wife had cheeseburgers earlier today. I saw her video. So we both enjoy doing mukbangs and all that. I miss her when I do mine, but she likes it when I do one from work. The soup tastes great, baby. Water. Plus, I have to have a gallon in the refrigerator so it stays cold.
I never figured on leaving an inheritance, so I'm just trying not to leave a burden. But let's face it, nobody lives forever. We all need final expenses. Funeral costs, medical bills, and other debts. And no one wants to put that on their family. So Mass Mutual came up with an easy, affordable way to
Can't go wrong.
final expenses. It's called Guaranteed Acceptance Life
I had me a peanut butter
Insurance,
sandwich earlier today. That's all gone. I had that on. Had a little break and all that. So keep my wife in the prayers. She's feeling under the weather. She has a lot of back pain and all that. So keep her in your prayers. Again, I'd like to thank my subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I know you on your break. I can tell you ain't gonna get up. I can tell. Yeah, remember we took talking? Yeah. Okay. Huh?
That's part of it. A lot of ham, still, and cheese.
You see, I have my little grandboy. Two. Yes, sir. Terrible too. I had to buy some snacks for church or cutting up. He get loud and cutting up in church. I don't like when they holler stuff out there. I don't like when they holler stuff at the church. Okay, then, well,
Get the clean to go.
I'll call that number down later on, like we call it, we had to order a tray and see if she left it. This whole week, well, this past week it was
The last of the soup.
Oh, me and her work the same week.
But there's more at home.
I thought me and her worked all
It's all gone.
All right, Pig. You said your last name George. Yeah. How about I ain't know it? Didn't know him about what? 26? Yeah.
So anyway, I'm about done here. You don't forget to like and subscribe. Always Eating Show. And my wife, Virginia J. So anyway, that's down to the last bite here. No more. Well, that's about it for me. Take care. Thank you, and God bless. Bye-bye.